Around 88% of companies now consider cyber threats an active risk to their business operations. The US actually faces more data breaches than any other country in the world. Like this video if you've ever had a suspicious purchase on your credit card. With high vulnerability, businesses need to take extra steps to protect themselves. With threat intelligence platforms, companies can identify cyber threats and mitigate the damages. I'm Caleb Fortune with Trust Radius, and based on the sentiment of thousands of reviewers, here are some of the best threat intelligence solutions that can keep your virtual covered. Mandiant Advantage Threat Intelligence. Mandiant Advantage Threat Intelligence is a multi-vendor extended detection and response, or XDR, platform with a threat intelligence module that mainly focuses on protecting a business from threats. There are over 300 intelligence analysts and researchers that assist with collecting up to 1 million malware samples daily. Looking at what users have to say, they tout Mandiant's actual threat intelligence for being quick and accurate. Mandiant Advantage Threat Intelligence provides detailed activity trend reports. There are even comments from Mandiant experts that users commonly praise. Users also report that Mandiant Advantage's browser extension reduces the need to navigate between multiple browsers and supplies real-time threat intelligence on one web page. The browser plugin and API give an indicator scoring and threat context. Looking at the most common negative points users bring up, some have mentioned a steep learning curve for familiarizing one with all the features and documentation. Also, users would like more customization with the reports, as they are very technical and difficult for some to understand. Pricing for Mandiant Advantage isn't currently published, but they do feature a start for free trial button on their website. Mandiant Advantage Threat Intelligence is best for companies that do not already have a specialized cybersecurity team. They currently have customers across many industries, such as finance, consulting, and managed service providers. Cisco SecureX. Cisco SecureX is a native cloud platform that provides security for the Cisco portfolio. Cisco SecureX is an integrated platform that unifies the entire security ecosystem into a single location. Looking at what users say, they enjoy the Cisco SecureX dashboard and how it displays all the security technologies in one view, giving a centralized, high visibility of the whole infrastructure. Within the dashboard, users specifically mention the integration modules add a great amount of variety and can enhance security based on the business needs. Finally, users say that Cisco SecureX comes with the customization opportunities that they love. For instance, there is an ROI display section where the business can customize the data to the metrics based on the business values. Users can also customize and automate the workflows with the pre-built playbooks. In terms of negative points users bring up, they do report that integration with software is inconsistent. Some software is much easier than others. Also, users say that the Cisco orchestration portion is complex and would be more helpful if there were more resources on creating workflows within the orchestration tab. Cisco SecureX does not list their pricing, but some reviews have noted that it is particularly good for educational institutions, and they also offer a free trial. Cisco SecureX is great for large companies with many users and devices, especially those already in the Cisco ecosystem. Some of their security customers are Lyft and Qantas. Splunk Enterprise Security. Splunk Enterprise Security is software that provides continuous security monitoring, advanced threat protection, and rapid threat investigation. Looking at what users have to say, they report that Splunk has valuable risk-based alerts to prioritize threats with more repercussions. Risk analysts will create risk attributions. Any triggered event with a potential threat comes with a risk score, and any event that reaches the set threshold will give an alert. The threat detection is fast with its machine learning and 700 plus out-of-the-box detections for frameworks. Users also say that Splunk Enterprise has very detailed threat detection since it can handle a large amount of data, providing detailed log analytics. Looking at negative points that users bring up, they say that Splunk Enterprise has a steep learning curve. Users say that more detailed documentation would be helpful, and they also report that support can be lacking. Like all before it so far, Splunk does not list their pricing, and you will need to reach out for a custom quote. Splunk Enterprise Security is best for mid to large size businesses, boasting customers like Aflac, Honda, and Tesco. Crowdstrike Falcon Endpoint Protection. Crowdstrike Falcon is a cloud-based solution to stop breaches, ransomware, and cyber attacks. Crowdstrike Falcon has an endpoint detection and response suite, or EDR, that monitors in response to potential cyber threats. Users of Crowdstrike enjoy that the endpoint protection continuously monitors endpoint activity, delivers threat analysis, and minimizes time dealing with the threats. It protects all endpoint devices, including laptops, computers, mobile devices, and servers. Users also report that deploying the EDR solution is quick and easy due to all the different deployment methods. It is possible to set up the endpoint protection in 10 minutes due to it being cloud-based. With a mix of artificial intelligence and machine learning, Crowdstrike Falcon is outstanding in high-performance memory scanning to detect advanced persistent threats. The AI-powered indicators of an attack detect and prioritize malicious threats. Impressive as it seems, when we look at the negative points from users, some had issues with the cluttered user interface, and some of the menu options take a while to locate. Additionally, the searches can be slow to load when bringing up the query results. Crowdstrike Falcon is our only option today to publish their pricing. Their plan featuring EDR starts at $15.99 per endpoint per month, and more advanced plans will require reaching out for a custom quote. Crowdstrike Falcon endpoint protection can fit organizations small to large, carrying some heavyweight clients like Verizon, Yeti, and Goldman Sachs. Whether it's your organization's sensitive information or your latest Google search for that song you can't quite remember the name of, threat intelligence tools are around to keep you safe. Do you happen to use any of these or have a different threat intelligence tool that you prefer? Let us know about it in the comments. Thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe for more, and head over to trustradius.com for detailed reviews, comparisons, and software alternatives.